Hey guys, today we're going to be doing paint correction on the hood of my car. You can see that this hood is dirty. First of all, I'm going to have to clean it. All the haze that's still there, the swirl marks are there. It has very little shine and no gloss, definitely not too mirror-like. So after I got this hood super clean, we wheeled it inside to get started. You can see it's very hazy. You can see a difference here between the treated section and the rest of the hood that has not been treated. The dull haze, the swirl mark scratches are all still there. And then in the section that is treated, that haze is gone. It looks glossy, a deep mirror finish, no swirl marks. So after we were done in the garage, we wheeled it outside to take a look in the sunlight. You can see in the video here all the swirls and scratches on the right side that's not treated. And then on the left side, you can see all those disappear. You have a deep mirror glaze. Hood looks incredible. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Check out our channel on YouTube to see all of our videos, and also check us out on Facebook. Give us a like and a share, and check out all our services there. Thank you for watching again, and we hope you enjoyed the video.